Ninth chemistry, atomic structure, unit 11, part 3. Now we are going to discuss about valency electrons. What is meant by valency electrons? Before going to the topic, we should know about the introduction. The valency means the outermost shell of an atom is called valency shell, which means the electrons present in outermost shell, and the electron present in the valency shell are known as valency electrons. The chemical properties of elements are decided by these valency electrons, since they are the ones that take part in chemical reactions. Right? You see, valency of an element is the combining capacity of the element with other elements and is equal to the number of electrons that take part in chemical reactions. Valency, the elements having valency electron 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively, which means the valency of an element with the 5, 6, 7 valency electron is 3, 2 and 1. This is called as 8 valency electrons. You see here, this is nucleus, this first orbit, this is second orbit, this is third orbit. You know that, right? The outermost electron, this is called the outermost electron. This is called outermost electron. The electron present in the outermost electron is called valency electron, or capacity of an electron also called the valency electron. Right? Suppose the elements which have valency electron 1, 2, 3, 4, the outermost electron is present. You see, this is outermost electron you consider. So if you take this 1 electron, this is valency is 1. Suppose valency is 2, 2 electron. 3 electron present outermost electron, valency is equal to 3. 4 electron present in outermost electron, valency is 4. Up to 4 only applicable like this formula. Suppose 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. How can we find out? You see, this is nucleus, this is first orbit, this is second orbit, this is third orbit. You consider this is the outermost electron, you know that. Suppose 7 electron present in outermost electron. If present 7 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electron present in outermost electron, what is the valency electron? You are not considering 7. 8 minus 7. 8 orbital theory. This is the octet rule. This is octet rule. Octet rule means the outermost electron has 8 electron. This is the stable one also. கடைசி outermost electron இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் 8 electron இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது ஸ்டேபிளாக இருக்கும். ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன், 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32, it is the stable one. Right? So, the outermost electron is called as the octet rule or the stable one. 5க்கு மேலே போயிடுச்சுனாலே outermost electronல 5க்கு மேலே எலக்ட்ரான் இருந்ததுன்னா 8 minus 5, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 7 அப்படி தான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணணும். 8 minus 7 1, 8 minus 6 2, 8 minus 5 3. So the 5 electron present in outermost electron, the valency is 3. Is it clear, students? The outermost electron 6 means the valency is 2. The outermost electron 7 means the valency is 1. This is the 8 valency electron. 8 minus valency electron. Is it clear, all of you? Again, I will tell you. The outermost electron having 1 electron means valency also 1. If have the 2 electron, the valency is 2. 3 means 3. 4 means 4. Up to 1, 2, 3, 4 electron present in outermost electron. The valency also 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. It is the same one. Suppose if electron above 4 like 5, 6, 7 like that, 5 electron present in outermost electron, you consider 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Valency is 3. 6 means 8 minus 6 2. 7 means 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 8 means this is stable one. 8 means if 8 electron present in outermost shell, it is the stable one. Right? Is it clear, students? Next, because 8 is the number of electrons required by an element to attain stable electronic configuration. Elements having completely filled outermost shell show zero valency. Zero valency means what, student? The elements having completely filled outermost shell. The electron present, the fully filled, which means 8 electron occupy in the outermost shell. It is the stable one or otherwise called as zero valency. Is it clear? For example, electronic configuration of neon. Neon means atomic structure 10, atomic number 10. How can we write electronic configuration? 2, 8. Already I taught about electronic configuration. 2, 8 is the neon electronic configuration. So 8 is the completely filled. The outermost electron is 8. The 8 is filled in completely filled. So we call it as zero valency electron. For example, one problem. Find the valency of magnesium and sulfur. Find the valency of magnesium and sulfur. Magnesium atomic structure. Magnesium atomic structure is 12. Right? How can we write electronic configuration? 2, because first shell occupy only 2 electrons. The second shell occupy 8 electrons. Balance how many electrons? 2 electrons. Balance how many electrons? 2 electrons. Which one is valency here? 2, because this is outermost electron. Because this is outermost electron. You consider here, this is nucleus. The first shell occupy 2 electron. The second shell occupy 8 electron. See, 8 electron, and the third shell occupy 2 electron. I already told you up to 4 it present in the outermost electron. We consider the valency also the same number, right? So 2 electron present in outermost electron, we call it as the valency is 2. Is it clear, students? Next, what sulfur? Sulfur also we have to take now. What is the atomic number of sulfur? 16, right? Atomic structure 16. How can we write electronic configuration? 2, 8, 6. 2, 8, 6. Now, what is the valency? The outermost electron is valency, I told you. But another one rules I taught. Above 5, above 4, from 5, 6, 7, if present the electron outermost means we subtract from 8. 8 minus 6. இப்போ 4க்கு மேலே இருக்குது, 5, 6, 7 அதே போல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா 5, 6, 7. If it is present 5, 6, 7, we can subtract from 8 minus. Here what is the valency outermost electron? 6. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So valency is sulfur 2. Is it clear, students? First, the magnesium is outermost 2 because below 5, 1, 2, 4, as it is, you have to write the valency. Suppose above 4, 5, 6, 7 like this, 8 minus outermost electron. Is it clear now? You see, I show you an example. The first one, hydrogen. Hydrogen is atomic number is 1, also valency is 1. And helium atomic number is 2 and valency also 2. Lithium 3 atomic number and outermost electron is 1. Outermost electron is 1. How? 3 means we can write electronic configuration 2, 1, right? So electronic configuration 1. The beryllium 4. How can we write? 2, 2. So outermost electron is 2. And boron 3. Carbon 4. And nitrogen 3. How it will come? Because the outermost electron is 5. You see here, the outermost electron is what, students? 5. How can we write this one? 8 minus 5. 8 minus 3 means, 8 minus 5 means 3. Valence electron is 3. So, the capacity of an electron. Capacity of an electron means, you see, it need 3 more electrons to attain stable, right? The octet rule, according to octet rule, the outermost electron must be 8 electrons. That is the stable. So here 5 electron only is here. 5 electron is here. It need 3 more electron, right? If add 3 electron to outermost electron, it attains stable. Is it clear now? That is the valency. The valency means capacity of an electron also. Next, oxygen. Oxygen also like that. 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Next, second example. Also like that. fluorine 9, neon 10, sodium 11. You practice like that. Already I taught you the same like this present in the atomic structure, right? Next, I am showing in book inside the arrangement of electrons in an atom of elements having atomic from 1 to 20. Up to 20 you know that from hydrogen up to calcium, right? You see here elements hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. That is a symbol also, hydrogen, helium, lithium, you know that. You see here. And what is the atomic number of protons or number of electrons? You see here hydrogen, the symbol is H and atomic number is 1, you know that. Number of proton 1, number of neutrons A minus Z, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So electronic configuration, the first shell is 1. There is no electron, second, third, fourth shell. Valency is 1. Valency is 1 means this is called it as non-metal, right? The second helium, symbol He, number of protons 2 and number of protons and neutrons 4. Number of neutrons 4 minus 2 equal to 2. The first shell only present and valency is 0 because the first shell is 0. First shell is only occupied 2 electrons. So the stable one, the valency is 0 valency. 0 valency means noble gas. 0 valency means noble gas. And lithium 3 and number of proton and neutrons 7 and neutron 4, like that. This is metal. You see here. Just showing you. See here students. Next we are going to discuss about isotopes and isobars, isotones. The first one is isotopes. Isotopes means nothing but the same atomic number but different mass number. The same atomic number but different mass number. You know that in superscript and subscript is here. The subscript means you consider atomic number. Your superscript means you consider mass number. Right? You see here the H1, H12, H13. They named as protium, deuterium, tritium. But in subscript, all the atomic number is the same. 1, 1, 1. See here. So, but mass number 1, 2, 3. So, atomic number same, mass number different. It is called isotopes. It is called isotopes. The same atomic number but different mass number. For another one example, carbon chlorine. The carbon 612 and 613. The 6 atomic number is same, but mass number 12 13 different. And chlorine also the same like this. The atomic number 17 both, and mass number 35 and 37. This is called what, students? Isotopes. Next, isobar. Isobar means the same mass number and different atomic number. The same mass number and different atomic number. You see here in this picture, the first one is argon, another one is calcium. Argon atomic number 18 but mass number 40. Here calcium atomic number 20, mass number 40. Both have the same mass number 40 but different atomic number 18 and 20. It is called the isobar. The same mass number and different atomic number. Next, isotones. Isotones also nothing but atoms of different elements with different atomic numbers and different mass numbers but with same number of neutrons are called isotones. Isotones means what, student? The different atomic numbers and different mass number. Mass number different-ஆக இருக்கும், atomic number-ம் different-ஆக இருக்கும். ஆனால் அதனுடைய ஐசோடோன்னா நியூட்ரான்ஸ் கரெக்டாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா? நியூட்ரான்ஸ் இஸ் சேம். யூ see here boron also here 5 11, carbon 6 12. The atomic number is different 5 6 and mass number different 11 12, but neutron is same. How can we find out neutrons? A minus Z, mass number minus atomic number, right? Mass number A minus Z. நியூட்ரான் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில். ஏன்றது மாஸ் நம்பர் 11, இசட்டுங்கிறது அட்டாமிக் நம்பர் 6. இப்போ 5. இப்போ 11 minus 5 6. The same like this, carbon 12 minus 6 equal to 6. The neutron is same. This is called isotones. Is it clear, students? I hope all are understand. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and click on my bell button. Thank you, students.